Do you want to study in the United States with no tuition bills and even a monthly stipend in your bank account? In 2026, this dream is still real. In this video, I'll show you the proven strategies that both Americans and international students are using to secure fully funded graduate admission in the US. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your dream into reality. Let's clear one myth. Full funding is not gone. In fact, many US universities still guarantee funding for most of their PhD students. But here's the catch: funding is highly competitive, and it works differently for domestic versus international students. If you want to stand out, you need a strategy that starts early, targets the right programs, and proves your value. Funding usually comes in four main forms: research or teaching assistantships. You work in a lab or teach classes, and the university covers your tuition plus a monthly stipend. Fellowships and scholarships. These are prestigious awards, often with no teaching required. Grants from professors' projects. If a professor has big research funding, they may support you directly. University-wide funding packages. Some PhD programs promise full support to every admitted student. For master's students, it's trickier, but with the right fellowships or assistantships, it's still possible. Now, let me be real, most people fail not because they're not smart, but because they apply too late. Target only Ivy Leagues, send generic proposals, or never build connections with faculty. And yes, many focus on master's programs only, where funding is much harder to get. Here's the part you've been waiting for: the strategies that actually work. Strategy number 1, start early. Begin at least a year and a half before your intake. Prepare writing samples, draft your research proposal, and mark every deadline on your calendar. Strategy number 2, target the right programs. Not every school funds students equally. Read departmental websites carefully. Look for the magic words: all admitted PhD students are fully funded. Strategy number 3, build faculty connections. Email potential advisors with a short, professional message. Share your CV and research interests. If they like your work, they may pull your application to the top of the pile. Some professors are too busy, they receive tons of emails every day from prospective students. You can gain their quick attention by connecting with current research students working in their labs. They talk to the professor directly on your behalf, and in no time, the professor looks into your mail, check out your CV and research interest. This is one sure way to get a fast response from professors. Strategy number 4, craft a killer proposal. Your research statement is your ticket. Make it clear, focused, and connected to a professor's work. Remember, they fund students who help their projects succeed. Strategy number 5, apply broadly. Don't gamble on one dream school. Apply to a mix of reach, match, and safe programs. But make sure all have strong funding histories. Strategy number 6, external fellowships. For US citizens, that means things like the NSF Graduate Research Fellowship. For international students, think Fulbright, government awards, or university-specific scholarships. Strategy number 7, collaborate before admission. Some students publish papers or assist US faculty remotely before applying. Imagine applying with a professor already knowing your name. That's powerful. Strategy number 8, negotiate your offer. Yes, you can. Once admitted, politely ask if the funding package can be improved. Universities want top talent, they often add just. For US citizens, you have access to federal fellowships and loans as backup. For international students, the path relies more on assistantships, Fulbright, and home country funding. But don't worry, thousands of international students still get fully funded every single year. Just last year, a student from Nigeria emailed 10 professors, refined her proposal 3 times, and landed a PhD offer in the US with full tuition and a $2,200 monthly stipend. Stories like this prove it's possible if you follow the system. Quick myth busting. Myth: only geniuses get funded. Wrong. Strategy matters more. Myth: international students can't get it. Wrong again. Myth: funding means you'll live rich. Nope. Stipends are modest, but they cover your life while you study. So, can you get a fully funded graduate program in the US in 2026? Absolutely yes. But only if you plan smart, apply broadly, and connect with the right people. If you found this helpful, smash that subscribe button, because on LearnScout, they'll break down the top funded programs by field, and show you exactly how to write proposals that win. Drop your country or field in the comments, and it'll give you tailored advice in the next video. Remember, you don't need to drown in debt to study in America. With the right strategy, your graduate degree can be fully funded.